Did you know that with just a few simple ingredients, you can eliminate a problem many people struggle with at home? Ever since I discovered this trick, I stopped spending money on expensive pest control products that often don't work. For this recipe, you'll need, first, add 1 tablespoon of boric acid powder. You can easily find it at pharmacies or supermarkets, and it's well known for its power to kill cockroaches. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is what attracts the roaches to our mixture. And finally, instead of flour, we'll use a small piece of soft sliced bread. Just tear the bread into small bits and mix it in. It helps give texture to the paste and keeps everything together. Now add just a few drops of water, very little, and mix everything well until it forms a thick paste like this. The sugar attracts the cockroaches. The bread binds the mixture, and the boric acid is what eliminates them. I'm sure you've had this problem or know someone who has. Usually, when we see one of these crawling around the house, the first reaction is fear or disgust. But with this simple and practical method, the problem is solved in no time. Once your paste is ready, let's place it where cockroaches like to hide. We'll use small container. This helps keep the mixture clean, safe, and easy to move. Now put a little bit of the mixture into the containers and place them in strategic spots under the sink, behind the refrigerator, inside cabinets, near drains, or anywhere you've seen roaches before. Here at home, I used to have a lot of trouble with cockroaches in this cabinet, especially on hot days. But after using this recipe, they completely disappeared. This works because when cockroaches walk over the mixture or eat it, the boric acid affects their digestive system, eliminating them effectively. It's one of the most proven and affordable pest control solutions you can make at home. And the best part? You'll spend almost nothing. These ingredients are easy to find, and you probably already have sugar and bread in your kitchen. So give it a try and come back later to share your results in the comments. If this tip helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy home solutions. A big hug, and see you in the next one.